I got the sickle weed attachment for doing in like under fence rows, I guess, is how they show it. And then also they also show it for doing in your ponds. And I got this one, the little brush head or weed whip lawnmower head. They also made a chainsaw attachment, rototiller, and a couple other things for this. This company later became basically Weed Eater. This one's got a South Bend engine. Some models actually have, let's see if I can get the light to work. Some have a Power Products engine. Just depends on the year. And then, of course, the later ones went hard to Tecumseh. This engine's all locked up, but I actually have one that's off an old hydraulic pump unit that was for fire trucks that operated Jaws of Life. So